Kite Power Solutions is a UK business developing a patented disruptive wind energy technology, which will have a much lower cost of electricity than current offshore wind turbines. Kites have been used for recreation, religious ceremonies, and military applications for over 2,500 years. Recreational power kites have grown in popularity in the last 20 years, resulting in high-performance kites that can be further improved to generate lower-cost, sustainable electricity from the wind. The International Panel on Climate Change's most recent synthesis report contains some stark warnings. Warming is unequivocal, and the human influence on climate change is clear. The IPCC report concludes that renewable energy production is essential to our future. The worldwide horizontal axis wind turbine market continues to grow from its initiation in the 1980s. In a conventional wind turbine, the rotor blades are driven by the wind. Typically, the rotor drives a generator via a gearbox and produces electricity. The nacelle containing the rotor, gearbox and generator is held in the wind by a tower, which is supported by a foundation. Wind turbines for the offshore market are provided by a handful of global wind turbine manufacturers who are developing turbines with ratings of 10 megawatts or more. The cost reduction strategy for offshore turbines is to increase the rated power and reduce the operational costs. However, to sustain market growth, offshore wind will have to be deployed in deeper water than the current 60-meter limit. The alternative Kite Power Solution system uses a kite to capture the wind energy. The kite is the equivalent of the tips of a wind turbine rotor blade. As the kite flies out in a circle or figure of 8, it pulls cable from a drum.